Do not waste your life. When Ayan turned 40, he realized something terrifying. His life felt empty, even though it was full of days. Every morning, he woke up to the same alarm, the same room, the same mirror that reflected a tired face. He rushed through life as if chasing something important, yet he could never remember what that something was. Years passed like pages flipping in the wind, fast, careless, unread. Ayan often told himself, "I'll start living tomorrow." Tomorrow he would spend time with his parents. Tomorrow he would follow his dream. Tomorrow he would become a better person. But tomorrow never came. One evening on his way home from work, Ayan noticed an old man sitting on a broken bench near the road. The man was smiling, watching children play as if he had no worries at all. Something about that smile stopped Ayan. "Why are you smiling?" Ayan asked, half curious, half bitter. The old man replied gently, "Because I am alive today." That answer felt too simple, too small, and yet it echoed loudly inside Ayan's heart. They talked for a while. The old man shared his story, how he once had dreams, too. How he delayed kindness, delayed love, delayed purpose. "One day," he said softly, "I realized my hair had turned white. My strength had faded and my one day had run out." His voice trembled. "That day taught me something painful," he continued. "Life doesn't ask for perfection. It only asks not to be wasted." That night, Ayan couldn't sleep. He remembered his mother waiting for his calls, his father's silent pride, the dream he buried because it felt risky, the people he hurt by saying, "I'm busy." For the first time, he understood the truth. Life is not wasted in one big mistake. It is wasted in small delays. The next morning, Ayan made changes, not dramatic ones, but real ones. He called his parents. He apologized where he should have. He helped someone without expecting anything back. He started working on the dream he once feared. Days didn't become perfect. Problems didn't disappear. But his heart felt lighter, because now he was present. Years later, Ayan sat on that same broken bench watching children laugh. He smiled, not because life was easy, but because he finally understood its value. Life is not about how long you live. It is about how deeply you live. And every single day you are breathing is a chance to choose again. Moral: do not waste your life waiting for the perfect moment. Life itself is the moment. Use it before it uses you.